Cold and snowy Logan, Utah. Ice, baby. Got to bring Aaron, our oldest son, with us out here to Logan, Utah, filming some live videos, introducing some new products here at Blackstone. It's so exciting. So I'll bring you along for today. Johnny O's Spud Nuts. Hands down, one of the best 2 or 3 donuts I've had in my life, and maybe the best. Groceries. When you come to Blackstone, Alexis is always waiting at the front door. Look at this. This is Mary Jo. We call her the portal of Blackstone.
That's it.
What's the word today?
Griddle.
So Alexis does photography, she does video stuff, graphic design, all that stuff, and she's the one that's responsible for making everything look so pretty. All the gorgeous looking steaks with the pieces of rosemary, everything looks so perfect. By the way, do they also call you Big Money?
Yes.
Hey, bud.
What is this? E equals MC squared?
Kaza Gugu. Too shy.
Hush, hush. Wait a minute. You look like you're straight out of an 80s fashion magazine.
Well, no, it's Carmen Sandiego.
I was thinking fistful of dollars.
Here in the office studio, we're getting ready to do a live video with a brand new air fryer combo. I forgot to turn the camera on and bring you guys along for the live, but it was phenomenal. We had a blast doing burgers. So we have a bunch of extra 80/20 ground beef here, and we're gonna have a little smash burger, French fry and onion ring party at the office. I'm in the back of the business here at a loading dock, finishing up some extra leftover French fries here. Look at those delicious Cajun fries straight out of the Blackstone air fryer. And one more finishing touch of the Cajun seasoning. We're done with the live video shoot. Now we're gonna head over to Lazy One. I was blown away when I first came to Blackstone a couple of years ago to find out that the Lazy One world headquarters is right here in Logan, Utah. Check this out. There's a place out here that designs roller coasters. I mean, how insane is that? S&S Worldwide. That's a pretty stunning view there, isn't it? So you got the roller coaster test track there, and the mountains off in the distance. We got our Christmas gifts from Lazy One. So we're back from Lazy One. Let me show you some of the brand new Blackstone accessories that we've been showcasing in these live videos over the last 2 days. So loving this. This is the Blackstone 17-inch griddle backpack. It's just phenomenal. It has an expandable top, so you can put a 17-inch here, either the front or the rear grease 17-inch, one that has the hood or one without the hood. And it has storage on the side for your 1 pound propane. And there's straps on the back here. Let me grab one that's already open. These are great because if you're doing a picnic and you're parking your car or your truck, you can just put your 17-inch griddle on your back and you still have a hand-free to a cooler, hands-free for a bag, and you can just carry your griddle to a picnic table. Super excited to use the 17-inch backpack this year. Blackstone egg rings, and these actually come in an 8-pack, which is phenomenal because in the past they had to use egg rings from multiple kits to be able to cook for my large family, and we have round and square egg rings. These are made out of silicone. They have a great handle on them, so perfect for making omelets, frittatas, just about everything. Brand new Blackstone pancake art kit. The pancake art kit, and look, I'm joined by Jason, and Jason heads up the whole graphic design department here. Is that the term? Is that the term? Are you the head of the graphic design? Graphic design department. So the cool thing about the pancake art kit is it's a phenomenal way to get youngsters involved in griddling. Check this out. So there's 6 different size, different color. So the pancake art kit comes with great instructions. So Jason here, as a matter of fact, designed these, by the way. Shout out to Jason. What is your Instagram? Or what, or your website? Give me whatever your contact
Just
info
my
is.
first and last name, Jason Holiday.
Jason Holiday. It's a technique that he uses to group people together, get them drawing. So you got to check him out on Instagram. He has the coolest stuff and the neatest story. So anyway, back to the instructions. Simple instructions on how to use the kit, which includes little molds and forms.
Molds. Well,
One,
pancake molds, yeah.
one is a pig.
Mine should.
Another one is
And Blackstone's team, the design team, came up with these molds. So it wasn't me.
no. The design team came up with these. Oh yeah, so look there, dinosaur.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very easy to understand instructions, so whether you're using the molds or even techniques and examples on how to make smiley faces and other multicolor pancake designs, and of course, one of Jason's little doodling projects on the back. I have not tried one yet, so I might doodle. So the pancake art kit here, very cool and super excited. Look for me to be playing around with this on the back porch with the kiddos soon. Those are super cool. Jason just gave this to Aaron, so this is the second volume of Color Me Crazy.
This one's a bleed, so it goes all the way on the outside, so my volume 2 is a little bit different.
And check out this print that Jason gave Aaron. Is this from your first book?
Yes. Well, yeah, one of my first designs.
Wow, that is phenomenal. So we're gonna have to get a frame for that 12 by 12 print. This is the brand new Blackstone Griddle Caddy. This is one of the things that, you know, we have a ton of new products coming out, and I would definitely put this in my top 5 or 10 things that I'm super excited about. It has a removable, collapsible handle. There's a place in the front to put your Blackstone spices, a place on the side to put your Blackstone griddle spray, your Blackstone oil bottles, lots of space inside to put all your most frequently used griddle tools. The bottom is made out of a hard molded plastic material, completely waterproof. You can set this thing down on a wet park bench or on a wet snowy piece of grass, and the fabric is completely washable. You just saw me pull this out, the brand new Blackstone oil and water bottle. That is 32 ounces. It has a spill-proof top, a little dust cover. It's square, so you can put it right here in your oil bottle holder. Put this on a shelf up against the wall, and it fits really nice, heavy duty. Blackstone has 3 new spices coming out this spring. Whiskey burger, I've been loving it. Teriyaki. Tequila lime.
James Miner, product manager over accessories.
He's also a mountain man.
My name's Tyler. Working for Blackstone's an amazing opportunity and experience, and we do a lot of cool things with all the products that we send out there to all you guys. So it's always fun to see the response we get from our customers.
And I'm here with Mauricio, so tell me your story.
I am an industrial designer, so I've been here since February, March.
What kind of projects can you tell me that you have worked on, you know, for upcoming products, whatever, things that you are allowed to discuss.
I had quite the influence on that caddy that you introduced.
So the griddle caddy that everyone's going
That
crazy
one
about?
And the bottles. So
the 32 ounce bottle?
Yep.
Oh.
The new square bottles.
I claimed one already. Gosner Foods and Dairy, one of my favorite places to visit here in the valley.
Smoked cheddar. We put it with beef stick and crackers.
You're good.
All right, perfect.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Have a good night.
We're back to the hotel room for a little R&R, sleep, maybe some food. We'll probably finish the day the way that we started it, with a dip in the swimming pool. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse, just a small glimpse into a portion of my day here today. So until next time, this is Todd, and I'm saying praise the Lord.